Hi friends, I'm Anna Helman and I appreciate you being here today. A couple of weeks ago, I shared a video about the best stamping platform ever going away, that is not going to be on the market anymore. A lot of you watched that video, a lot of you. A lot of you ordered one of them very quickly because I had said that it was being discontinued and was only going to be available for a short amount of time. We didn't really know how much time it was going to be available for. It turns out it was 4 days from the time, I think 4 days from the time that we found out it was retiring, and 2 days from the time that I released that video, that they sold out and were no longer available. So I have gotten so many messages, emails, comments on my videos, all kinds of things, and I haven't been able to reply to all of them because there have been so many, so I apologize for that. But I wanted to make this video to, one, give you a little bit more information about what's going on, and two, tell you that if you haven't found one yet, I have a couple of ways you might be able to get one. So I just wanted to share a little bit of information about that. Quickly, if you haven't seen that video, why this stamping tool is amazing and why it's different from the others that are out there. The plates, there are 2 plates on it, so you can do 2-step stamping. You can flip one way and stamp, flip the other one the other way and stamp, and do repeat stamping that way. It's awesome for like Christmas cards or anything you're stamping multiples of. You can lift the plates out and flip them around, so technically you can line up stamps on both sides of both plates and do 4-step stamping if you want. You can also do a really neat technique called step stamping by moving the plates down. There's so many things you can do with this, and when many of you saw this, you loved it and you wanted one right away, and I'm so happy for those of you who ordered them and got them. I'm sad for those of you who want one and don't have one, so we'll talk about that here in a little bit. Now, everybody, a lot of you know what's going on behind the scenes. Some of you don't. I've gotten some comments about how dumb of a decision this was, and dumb is a nice word, I think, for what some of you have said. But this was not a decision that was made, I guess, intentionally. I think it was more of like a last chance option. And the information from Stampin' Up! That I have received is that due to ongoing legal issues with the platform, Stampin' Up! Has decided to, I'm going to read this, to discontinue offering a stamping tool at this time. So that says a few things. I'm not going to talk about the legal issues. I'm sure you all commented lots on that other video, and you are welcome to converse down here as well and share what you know if you like. I'm not going to talk about that part. But the part about at this time is leaving the door open, I think, that maybe at some point in the future, possibly this could come back, or possibly we could have another version of something like this come back. I have no idea. I am making this up to give myself hope that you all will be able to get something like this in the future because it is so helpful. I've heard from so many of you that have had the other stamping platforms and they either got sold or given away, or they stay in the drawer because you love this one so much. Now, to be fair, yes, there are those of you who love your other one of choice, and that's fine. One size does not always fit all, but there are so many of you who love this thing. So anyway, maybe at some point we'll have something returned. We can hope, okay? So for those of you right now who are wishing that you had tried to order a little bit sooner and the Stamparatus had run out, here are my ideas for you. I saw that this was going to happen, and I decided to order some that I could resell to some of you at a reasonable cost, because I have a feeling some of these are going to show up on eBay and other places for probably not a very reasonable cost, is my guess, since they're going to be in limited supply. If you are interested in one of the ones that I have available, here's what I would like you to do. I'm going to link right here to my website, or you can go straight to it, scrappingstampingandstuff.com. I know it's kind of long, but that's it. And there's a link right here. There'll be a link in the video description below as well to take you there. Click on the contact tab at the top, my email address, you'll be able to email me. And please send me an email with Stamparatus in the subject line, and I will add you to my list. I have a limited supply. I do not have a ton of these. For anybody who's wondering if I like hoarded the whole collection from what was left to Stampin' Up, the answer is no. The answer is honestly, I wanted to so that I could help a lot of you who were not able to get one in time. But no, I did not. That did not happen. I have a limited supply. I want to be able to help those of you who are looking, at least some of you. So send me an email. I may not reply right away. These are not allowed because of some rules. I can't sell it till May. And my guess is that some other people probably ordered some extras and that they may show up on eBay starting probably early May is my guess. If my guess is correct, they will probably be showing up in May. My guess is also that they're going to be expensive on eBay. I don't know. I have no idea. Maybe there won't be any of them on there. But I have a few available. I do want to make them available to some of you, those of you who contact me quickly. Send me an email. You won't hear back from me right away. When I am able to sell these, I will reply to you. We'll work out the details. And then if you have not, if you emailed me after I ran out, I will send you an email at some point and let you know that as well. But this is all going to be happening probably in May, so you won't hear back right away depending on when you are watching this video. So that's what I know. I would love for you to share your comments about all of this. There are lots of opinions. I have lots of them too, but I'm going to keep them to myself here. But you are welcome to share away in the comments what you think about all of this. And yes, thanks so much for watching along with my videos. I appreciate you. I appreciate those of you who shop with me. This is kind of my own little crafty dream that I get to do this for a living and help support my family. I really appreciate all of you who support me, watch my videos, order products through me. Have a blessed day, and I hope you'll be back again next time when I will be helping you to hand make with love.